Repairs and gadgets with another video. So here I have a Xbox battery charging station here. So it's a 4 pair of battery. So it's a Quad Pro 2 Max charging station here. So on the back you have the spec of the battery. So basically this is 45 hours of playtime. The charge time is 9 to 10 hours. The recycle charge is about 500. So the charger input is 5 volt, 1.5 amp. The charger output, which is 3 volt, 350 amp. So what we get inside the box here, we get two 2200 milliamp rechargeable battery. We get one 4 feet USB, that's Type-C USB cable, 4 battery plates, and 1 charging station. So it's pretty basic. So I'm gonna go ahead and open this station here. So this is the battery charging station here, and I think this is for Xbox One, 1S, Xbox X series. So this is very basic, guys. Here it is. So I'm gonna go ahead and open it. So the first thing here, this is the charging station here, and this fit for control for battery. So one here, and the other two will go in the controller, and it will fit on top. Very basic. So this is a charging indicator, battery 1, 2, 3, 4. The back is basic. So let's give you like the model of it, where it's made, and how many input voltage. So the next thing you will get is the battery here. This one is for Xbox One, S, and X. So here's the next battery here. Xbox One, X and S. Here's another one here. So there are 4 of them. And the difference is that one is for the Xbox One, X and S, Xbox Series X and X. So they're different, and the difference is the cover. The cover plate is different. I'm going to show you guys the difference. So here is the Type-C charging cable, and this is for the charging station here. There is a booklet here, as a manual here. So it will tell you how to insert the battery inside the controller. Pretty nice instruction. Very simple. So the specs again, the playtime for each controller battery is 45 hours. The charge time is 9 to 10 hours. The next thing is a small booklet. I'm not sure what this is. Small Andy, very nice. Frostman, every day, every need, which is pretty good. So I think this is the warranty card, limited lifetime warranty, which I doubt that. So this is thank you card, and I think the warranty card. It's very basic. So that's it, guys. That's all the equipments or the device that came in the box. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys the battery here. So this cover here, it will fit, I think, the Xbox One S controller here. The battery will fit all the controller. The battery is not the issue. The battery will fit all the newer and older controller, just the cover. So there's two different cover that you get for all the controller. So if you notice here, this one have 3 groove, this one have 2. So you get 2 of this for regular Xbox One S controller, and this one is for like the X series, I think, and the newer controller. So they're a bit different. This one is curve in, curve outward. So in case if you have 2 different type of controller, it will fit any controller for the Xbox. And of course we get your 4 battery here. 4 battery, guys. And the battery seems they're pretty solid, pretty heavy here. So here, as you can see, they're 2200 milliamp battery. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to go ahead and charge them up. I'm going to go ahead and test them, and I'm going to see how they work. I'm going to give you an update in part 2 of the Xbox battery charging station. So one will fit here. The other one will fit here. So the other 2 will go in the controller, in your controller, and the controller fits somewhere here. I'm going to give you more updates on this small device.